Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title guys, how to change pin lock in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to change your pin lock in your Xiaomi phone, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how can we change pin lock in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you friends. Guys, you want to change your pin, so guys you can change. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your pin. Then guys scroll password and security setting. Guys, you can see in your Xiaomi phone, so guys tap here. Guys, click on your screen lock setting and enter your pin password guys, and guys again click on this pin setting. Then guys you can see remember your password, lock screen password. If you forget it, you will have to erase guys all data. So guys, new password guys, you will take this 1 2 3 4, and guys first of all check, then guys click on continue. Don't click on guys OK without checking. Okay friends, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, yes, okay. And guys now let's see. So you can see guys first pin was get 2580 wrong, 1 2 3 4 right pin. So I hope friends you have understood how to change pin lock in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.